Hey YouTube, this is Halo96 and I'm playing Ratchet and Clank UYA up here also. And today I'm going to show you an alternative way to getting to the Insomniac Museum. Right now I'm in the vid comic room, and as soon as you walk out you see these giant black posts. What you do is stand on the very outer lip, jump up, and double wall jump. Now you jump into this post. Just to tell you right now, I don't always make this. It's very hard. I'm going to make it about twice in about 10 jumps. You run, jump, all the way over to there. It's actually, even though it seems hard, it's actually very easy. You just need to get the right timing. Every time you fall, you respawn back by your ship. I'm only going to try this 5 times. If I don't make it, oh well, I'll try to post a vid of me actually doing it another time. But please take my word that this does actually work, and it's a cheaper, well, it's easier way of actually getting all the trophies or wall hacking into the museum. Just to tell you, you cannot power boost, charge boost or whatever, like how I'm doing right now, like this, across there, because there's a barrier on the wall, like right here, and it'll just push you right back, see? I'm going to try this 2 more times to mix it. Nope, one sec. That did not work. I think I know what the problem is. I keep on hitting the post on the side of the actual building. Yeah, that's what I was doing. You can't hit it directly in the front, I guess, because that's what's pushing me back. You also can do it on that post. I don't know where that would probably go, but truthfully, I actually think this is a very hard glitch, even though it may look easy. It's a really hard jump from here to the other place. That's not gonna work. I'm seeing which way is jumping higher. that did not gonna work. Alright, once I get out of here, this is gonna be my last time. Not sure if I'll make it, but another time I'll try to get a video of me actually making it. Just to save some time. I stopped that one. It can be very frustrating. Ladies and gentlemen, I have made it. I just go right here. I don't think you'll be able to get out of here. Nah. You actually have to go into the museum. Alright, you fly there and actually saves the game, so if you shut off or you get stuck or anything, you just respawn back here. Insomniac Museum. Alright, I've actually found another glitch here already. This is actually the third time I've been here. If you go here to the turbo slider and go to, I have to find it. Keep on running through here. And there'll be a double jump, I think there is, right up here. Not this one right here. Jump off this one. Go right here. Now this is really cool. It's actually kind of stupid, but it's funny at the same time. Drive off the part that doesn't have any water, and wow, what it is. And you get out of there, and then you start falling like that. Pretty cool, but it's not much. There's actually 2 secret games in here that you can play. If you get on here and go outside, you can play Pirate vs. Ninja, which is sweet. Jump around the edge, and there'll be this giant long way right here. Now you come right here and you can play Pirate vs. Ninja, which is easy. But, well, that's pretty much it. Thank you, YouTube. Please subscribe and rate or whatever. And if you find any new glitches from the way I did it that are way easier, please hit me up. And, just... Alright, well, that's it. Alright, bye YouTube.